I've just been doing a bit of research on the words people are using in Google when they're searching for things related to the Irish language. And I've been amazed by how many people are searching for the focloir.ie website, the English Irish Dictionary folklore. And there's something like 30,000 searches a month performed for that website by people both in Ireland, mainly in Ireland, and internationally as well. So nearly 30,000 searches are happening every month for folklore.ie. And I guess it reminded me of just how popular and how useful that website is. Tá sé rausmarás agus chur na figúrí móra níosnach sin é sin na gcuineadm. Is áis úntach é folklore.ie. Tá sé lán de rudí anhamúfintanga agus tá sé úntach éasci de úsáid. So it's really easy to use and it's full of very useful resources for people who are writing in the Irish language or speaking the Irish language or using the Irish language in any way. And I guess one of the things that it reminded me of, though, was how many of those features are actually hidden in plain sight. We could be using that site for years and not find out everything that's on it. And I'm not talking about all the actual words that are in there, which have been very handily printed out in this book and published in this book. I can make larfin áisina gramadí atá ann fáilteáin PDF I dachasúla tá ann gur féidir a choipáil an nua. So there's all these PDFs there with grammar information. There's a lot of grammar information just one click away from every word. You mightn't necessarily see that because the link isn't obvious. There is a huge pronunciation database there as well. And I guess it just got me thinking about, you know, they're some of my favorite features in focloir.ie, but I'm sure there's ones I don't know about. So I'd love to hear what your favorite things about focloir.ie are. What are your favorite things? Can anybody as far as that's Marielle there, focloir.ie. So it is some. Oh yeah, fog tachtrucht Twitter them, cur tacht show rifos cum, Dermot at twitter.com, Michaela, new fog comment Fween Fish on show. So leave a comment under this video wherever you're watching it, or drop me an email or message me on Twitter and let me know what your favorite thing about focloir.ie is, because with 30,000 people a month searching for it on Google, and that's not counting the people who actually go directly to the website, that's people who are just type in folklore and search for it in Google. It's obviously a hugely important and powerful resource, which we all knew about. But I'd love to hear about what particular feature you're using in it. So yeah, so let me know. And if you have a chance, subscribe to my channel on YouTube as well, because that will mean that these kind of videos get seen by more people and help more people when they're writing and using Irish. So Sinead, Gurmila Haggett, Slán.